This woman is hanging in the air with ropes tied tight, and people cannot believe what she does next. Her arms and legs are held by rope, and yet she bends and twists like her body has no bones. At first it looks painful, but then she lifts herself and spins slowly, showing full control like she has done this her whole life. Every move feels calm but strong as she stretches higher until her foot touches the rope above her. Crowds watching online could not look away because it seems almost unreal. Some said it looks easy, but if you look close you can see the tiny shakes in her arms holding all her weight. Her balance stays perfect even when the ropes start turning and her hair falls down. People are saying this is not just art but pure strength mixed with grace. By the end her body is almost sideways in the air and she stays there like time stopped mid-move.